Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Danish chicken. Start by assembling all ingredients and tools so you can move smoothly through each step. Wash and pat dry the chicken, zest the lemon into a bowl, and chop fresh dill finely. Unroll puff pastry on a lightly floured surface and set a baking sheet nearby. Having everything organized saves time and prevents mistakes while you cook. Now we'll prepare the filling and assemble the Danish. Sear the seasoned chicken quickly to lock in moisture, then let it rest for a few minutes. Mix softened butter with chopped dill, minced garlic, and lemon juice, spreading this over the chicken. Cut the puff pastry into squares, place the chicken and butter mixture in the center, and fold or crimp the edges so the filling stays inside during baking. Bake the assembled Danish chicken until the pastry is deep golden and the internal temperature reads 165 degrees F. Keep an eye through the oven window and rotate the tray if needed for even browning. Once out, let the pieces rest for 5 to 10 minutes so juices settle and the pastry firms slightly. Slice carefully with a sharp knife and serve with a simple salad or roasted vegetables for a balanced meal everyone will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.